Hi everyone, welcome to SG Study World. Today we are going to talk about combining like terms. Just like in fractions, we can only add when the denominators are same. Here in algebra, we can only add terms when they are like. In our previous video, we have discovered and understood what are like and unlike terms. So if you have any doubts, you can definitely take a look at that video, and I will also attach the link in the description box below so that you can completely understand the difference between the like terms and unlike terms. So let's get started. Once we will quickly review what are like terms. Like terms are terms when they have the same variable. For example, 7x and 3x. They both have x variable. That means the first criteria is met here. Along with this criteria, there is another criteria that states that it should have the same exponent power. X here has the power of 1 and also here has a power of 1. That means these two are like terms. If we want to try one more example here, that is 3y and 2y square. Y and Y, once again, we can say that they have the same variable. However, the exponent here is 1 and here is 2. So, are these like terms? No, they are unlike terms. Unlike. Can we unlike terms? No, we cannot. In algebra, we can only combine like terms. Let's take a look. Our first example states 5x plus 3y plus 4x. So here if we compare, are 5x, 3y, 4x, are all three of these like terms? Let's check the variable. Here I have x, here I have y. That definitely means 3y is not a like term here with 5x and 4x. So in this case, what do? We bring the like terms together. We write them together. 5x plus 4x. From where did I got this plus? Right ahead of 4x. This plus means that will come along with it. Plus 3y. So this is how we are going to arrange our like terms together. Step number 1, you identify your like terms. Step number 2, bring the like terms together. Now we are going to add the coefficients. What are the coefficients? Once again, coefficients are the numeral values in front of the variables. 5 and 4. What is 5 plus 4? 9. And the most important thing here, x's don't get added to each other. We only are going to write x. The coefficients get added, but the x remains same. Now, 3y has no like term here in this question. So that means we are going to keep it as it is, plus 3y. That doesn't mean that we are going to leave it alone. No, it's part of the question. It has to be handled. So we will get the answer as 9x plus 3y. Let's take another example here. The question number 2 says 3x plus 5y square plus 7x plus 4y. So first of all, let's talk about our x variables. Let's discuss our x variables. So I have a x variable here and a x variable here. The first rule is okay that both of them have x variables, and let's check their exponents 1 and 1. That means these are like terms. So I am going to bring both of these like terms close to each other. 3x plus 7x. These two terms have been taken care of. I can cancel them. Why do we usually cancel? Just to ensure that we don't miss anything. This helps us to remember that these two terms have been taken care of. Now I see a y here and I also see another y here. Does that mean these are like terms? We will first have to check our exponents here. If you see carefully, this has the exponent of 2 and this has exponent of 1. When nothing is written, it automatically means the exponent is 1. So this has 2, this has 1. In this case, what happens? Are these like terms? No. Because once again, what are the two criteria for like terms? They should have the same variable and same exponents. The two y terms definitely had the same variable. However, the exponents were not same. But that doesn't mean that we are going to leave them alone here. We are going to bring them down. The only thing we cannot do, we cannot combine them. They cannot be combined because the rule says combining like terms. If these are not like terms, then we cannot combine them. In this case, what will we combine? We shall combine 3x plus 7x. How do we combine 3x plus 7x? 3 plus 7. We only add the coefficients here. 3 plus 7 is 10. And once again, I'm going to say it because this is where most of the kids go wrong. X and x will not be x square here. We are not multiplying. The x will remain as it is. The answer for 3x plus 7x is 10x. Nothing will change here. And the rest of the terms, we are going to write them exactly the same way. Why? Because we cannot combine them since they are unlike terms. Let's take a look at third question. Now this question, once again, take a look at all the variables a, b, b, a square. So by now you should be very easily able to figure out what are the like terms here. Which terms are like? So we all now know 5b and 3b because the variable is b and it is raised to the exponent power of 1. So I will write 5b plus 3b. Here 9a has the exponent of a has the exponent of 1 and 4a square where a has the exponent value of 2. That means the variables are same but the exponents are different. Hence they are unlike terms. So I will write them here and then combine these two like terms. How do we combine once again? Adding the coefficients. 5 plus 3 is 8. B plus B remains B. And the rest of the term remains exactly the same way. 9a plus 4a square. This is how like terms can be combined together. Once again, terms are like if the variables are same and the exponents are same. They can only be combined when they are like. And the most important rule here, while combining, we only add the coefficients. The variables do not get added. And lastly, that the rest of the terms that are unlike, we do not add them, but they are still the part of our answer. I hope you have understood this concept. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that next time when I post a video, you get a notification. Happy learning. Bye-bye.